All potentially contaminated items used during sampling should be treated as asbestos waste and disposed of correctly. Use wet wipes to clean any debris created from the sampling and place inside the red asbestos waste bag. Stand on your plastic sheet and use a wet wipe to lightly pat down the disposable suit prior to removal. Remove the suit by rolling in an inside-out motion and place inside the red asbestos waste bag, together with any used protective sheeting, used gloves, and finally the mask. Remember, the mask should always be the last item removed. Seal the red asbestos waste bag with tape and double bag inside the clear waste bag. Sealed asbestos waste bags should be disposed of to a suitably licensed site. Consult your local council website for details or speak to a licensed asbestos removal contractor.